Well, what do we have here? Possibly the best LED can on the market. We're going to talk a little bit about this can, all the features and benefits, and why you should use this to protect your power supplies when you're doing remote power on your next sign project. So let's get into it by jumping over to the overhead and taking a closer look. Well, let's take a little closer look at the LED power supply can by Westrim, which is a France brand. As you open it up, take the cover off, you'll notice a couple things. You've got this partition sitting there that's out, and you've got some hardware, plugs, and instructions to wire it up according to UL 48 standards. So let's put the instructions aside. Let's just take a look at this real quick. These are plugs that go into these knockouts, right? So you have different knockouts to be able to allow you to run conduit into it, and these plug up the ones that you're not going to use. It also comes with 4 Tech screws. 2 of them obviously to hold the lid in, right? But the other 2 are to hold the partition in. So let's talk a little bit about the partition, because this is one of the best features of this product. The partition itself, of course, is already removed. It's a removable partition, and we designed it that way so you're not knocking your knuckles when you wire up whatever power supply you're going to put in here. So you just line it up to the holes that are pre-drilled for you, right? So you go ahead and wire everything up, put the wire in between the partition. Let me lean it up so you can see what I did. Wire in between the partition, line it up to those holes, and go ahead and just shoot your screws that we give you to shoot. So it's really that simple. It's a great design. It's going to keep you from messing up your knuckles. I used to hate that. So that's one of the big key features. You'll also notice this weird pattern, right, to the metal itself. Well, this galvanizing is kind of a unicorn galvanizing. It's specialized to us. I haven't seen it with anyone else, and it's just a fantastic coating that we've come up with. This keeps it from rusting, along with the Tox fold-over method, some other key things. It's just a fantastic design. It lasts. We put it in salt spray at 95% for 120 hours, and it just lasts. It's a fantastic product. Didn't rust at all. Our competitors, unfortunately, didn't fare as well as ours by any means, or fortunately, I should say. It also has a run-out, little notch here that then goes out here on this side or on this side, right? It also has a knockout for switch. So our switch that we sell goes right in here, and you're able to screw it in, wire it up, and then you have your switch that you're going to need to put on there according to UL standards, also with a lock plate. It also comes in a double configuration, so you can put 2 power supplies in there, and we have some pre-drilled holes, but you can self-tap and put them according to UL standard anywhere you want to. So that is the LED power supply can by Westrim, and until next time, sign on.